Hey everyone! Today I'm experimenting with something a little different. The Petri effect in resin. But this time I'm going to try and make a bloom. I'm using shades of purple and orange to see if the inks will create that dreamy Petri look while still keeping the bloom shape. So this is just a test to see if it works. But I love experimenting and pushing resin techniques to new places, so let's see how this turns out. Now, I will let the resin sit for at least 40 minutes once the inks are in. And so sit back, relax, and listen to some music and see how it turns out. Talk to you soon. guys, what do you think? Do you think it looks good? I love how the back of the purple came. It was actually quite pretty. But I've got a couple of images that I've taken outside, which will actually show you a little bit of a close-up on how they turned out. And yeah, the purple came a little bit the colors didn't go very well in the middle, so it looked a bit dirty. But the end result is, yes, you can do blooms, I guess, with this, as long as you let your resin sit for at least 40 minutes. I mean, it looks beautiful. Like, once it was done, I mean, I couldn't believe that it turned out so well. Well, till the next one, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. You will be supporting me in putting more videos up, and hopefully you enjoying it. So you take care, have a blessed day. Ciao.